common failure of a GPU, and this is what I get in on the screen. Which is the first time I've come across with this sort of artifacts, basically, but I quite like it. It sounds like you're in a nightclub, like a disco dancing kind of a thing. But yeah, so this board needs GPU replacing. There we go. Just jumping a wire to keep the fan running all the time, except that when you switch it off, it should go off. Okay, even the power supply connected. That's beside the point. The main issue of the video was that just to say that how much of a troll that these jobs can be. So yep, this will come about soon with a GPU replacement, so bear with me and stay tuned. Thank you.